Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the scope of your everyday vision? Our world is teeming with life, much of which remains unseen, a hidden universe of microscopic wonders. Today, we're going on a journey to explore this unseen world, life under the microscope. Our journey begins with a simple question. What is a microscope? In essence, a microscope is a powerful tool, an instrument that magnifies tiny objects, allowing us to see details invisible to the naked eye. From the Greek words micros, meaning small, and scopein, meaning to look, the microscope quite literally allows us to look at the small. The history of the microscope is a fascinating one. Early versions, simple magnifying glasses, date back to ancient times. However, the invention of the compound microscope with multiple lenses is often credited to the late 16th century. Pioneers like Antony van Leeuwenhoek in the 17th century revolutionized biology with their meticulously crafted microscopes. Leeuwenhoek's observations of bacteria, single-celled organisms, and other previously unseen life forms opened up a new world of scientific inquiry. So what can we see under the microscope? The answer is almost anything. Think of a drop of water. Under the microscope, it transforms into a bustling ecosystem. You might see single-celled organisms like amoeba or paramecium, actively moving and feeding. Plant cells reveal intricate structures with chloroplasts, the sites of photosynthesis clearly visible. Animal cells, too, come alive, showcasing their nuclei and other essential components. But the microscopic world isn't just about cells. It's about a whole new level of complexity. Consider the structure of a leaf. The microscope reveals the intricate arrangement of cells, the stomata that allow for gas exchange, and the vascular bundles that transport water and nutrients. Look at a tiny insect, and you can see the detailed structure of its eyes, legs, and other body parts. The impact of the microscope on science and medicine is immeasurable. It has allowed us to understand the causes of diseases, develop new treatments, and discover the fundamental building blocks of life. Without the microscope, modern medicine, biology, and countless other fields would be unrecognizable. Today, advanced microscopes use light, electrons, or even X-rays to generate images. Electron microscopes, for example, can magnify objects millions of times, revealing structures at the atomic level. This technology continues to evolve, opening up new possibilities for discovery. Life under the microscope is a testament to the incredible diversity and complexity of life on Earth. It reminds us that our world is full of hidden wonders waiting to be explored. By peering into the unseen, we not only expand our knowledge, but also deepen our appreciation for the beauty and intricacy of the universe.